Can you believe I've gotten this gorgeous teal French vibe nail done only in a few minutes? Check out my bio and build your own dipping kit from $45. Stop paying extra fees in the salon anymore. In this tutorial, I'll make a combo of teal and silver super shine to show you guys step by step how you can achieve your French nails goal quickly and easily. And you'll achieve a peekaboo design with a combo of light gray and silver super shine at the same time. Let's right into. I always recommend you have a minimum of 2 layers of liquid and powder. It's really helpful to avoid uneven texture on your nail surface. Apply the base coat as thin and even as you can. Then quickly dip nails into the powder at a 45-degree angle. With no bulks and wrinkles, the Super Shine powder and self-leveling liquid lift you to the next level. Why do I always say the dip system is the easiest nail method for a newbie? It's an air-drying nail system with no UV lamp. You just need to dip the powder twice to speed up the drying process and apply the activator liquid to get your nails cured. When you deal with a French smile line, never move your finger back and forth in the jar and gently pat the finger to fall the excess powder down. Then you need to dip the clear powder to absorb the excess liquid and even the thickness of your nails. Also, it helps to form a protective layer from damage when you buff.